Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if keeps crashing on Realme 16. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and you will see swipe up and restart device from here. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end. Click on system and update and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on Play Store app and click on this profile icon and click on manage apps and device, and you will see if you want to fix this problem, so update app from here. After update app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on again settings app, scroll down to end, click on system and update, click on backup and reset phone and click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is factory reset. Click on settings app, scroll down to end, click on system and update, click on backup and reset and click on reset phone and click on factory reset. Enter phone pin and click on reset and click on play. Go back to home screen. So you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if keeps crashing on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.